Hello friends, today's topic, today one big rally in Nifty. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Great rally for Indian market today. Nifty rallied by 1.2% and closed near 19,700 mark. This was mainly due to two main reasons. First one is because that inflation in India has fallen to the lowest level since June 2023. Now giving you the inflation figures. Indian retail inflation figures, January 2023 6.52%, February 2023 6.44%, March 2023 5.66%, April 4.7%, May 4.25%, June 4.81%, July 7.44%, August 6.83%, September 5.02%, October 4.87%. Since Indian inflation has fallen to a low and comfortable level, it is very positive news for India. When inflation is low, then RBI is unlikely to hike interest rates or may even slightly reduce interest rates in the coming months. When interest rates reduce, the interest payments by companies and individuals falls, hence profitability increases. This will have a positive impact on the stock markets. The second reason for today's rally is US announced its inflation figures yesterday evening. Inflation in the US fell to 3.7% in September 2023 to 3.2% in October 2023. It was lower than expected. Due to the news of the lower inflation, US markets rallied yesterday night. Now global stock markets today. Hong Kong Hang Seng plus 3.77%, Japan Nikkei plus 2.46%, Germany DAX plus 0.31%, France plus 0.35%, UK FTSE plus 0.72%, US Nasdaq yesterday 2.54% positive. European markets rallied by 1 to 2% yesterday and were positive today also. So you can see that all global markets are positive because of lower inflation in US. This has increased the likelihood of US Federal Reserve not hiking interest rates and maybe reducing interest rates in 2024. Also, since September 2023, FIIs have been selling shares in the Indian markets. However, the hope is that since inflation has fallen in the US and hence bond yields falling in the US, FIIs will gradually come back and become net investors in Indian markets. We need to see if this rally can be sustained in the coming days. It will not be very easy to continue to rally. However, if FIIs invest money, then the rally will get an additional push. End of the video, here is a question for you. Do you expect Nifty to touch 20,000 level by end of November 2023? Yes or no, you may type. And if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. If the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.